Hi, this is Rita from New Britain Roots, and today we're going to be making a bird feeder, and we're going to be making a bird feeder from a pine cone that's open. We have this is a pipe cleaner that we're going to use to hang it. This is peanut butter, but what you have in your kits is sun nut butter. So it comes from sunflower seeds, so there's no peanuts because of allergies. And then I have some bird seed. Okay? So in order to be careful and to be neat, I'm going to put a piece of parchment right in front of me. And then the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to wrap this around just the very top. Okay, so it's underneath the first couple rows, and I'm just going to kind of put it in. Let's see if I can do this. And just kind of go around a couple of times, all right? And this will help hang it wherever you want to hang it, all right? So have that ready before we start with the peanut butter because it will get very messy. Okay? Then start with your sun nut butter and I would take a knife, but just a butter knife, and just kind of with it on your tip, all we're going to do is kind of paint it on the outside, just like that. Okay, just a little bit, and go all around and paint it with your knife, okay? Now, some of you have really, really big ones, like this big, okay? You're gonna need, you probably don't have enough of the sun nut butter for that, but you could do half of it and hang the whole thing up. The birds are gonna love it. And they will love you for it. Okay. A little bit more sun nut butter. Okay. And then when you have all these painted with the sun nut butter, then we're going to put some bird seed on it. Okay. Okay, so if you can see, this has peanut butter all over it, all right? In all of the nooks and crannies. So I'm going to put it in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pour this over. All right? Let's see if you can see this, how I do this. And keep it in this container. I think I sent you some of a container that's a rectangle like this, that's silver. So keep that in, do this in there, and that way you won't make a mess. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of put it in and shake it around, okay? Trying to get all the peanut butter or sun nut butter covered with this amazing bird food. Okay, and that way you're going to have something that the birds are going to love. Now, I recommend you put this in a tree. If you can possibly put it in a tree near a window, you could watch and see what kind of birds come and eat it, and that would be really fun. And since it's snowing outside today, the birds really need some extra. Okay, some extra food and extra love, so we could do that, give that to them. Okay, I hope you all have a great time making this and putting it out. Please send us pictures of where they are. That would be really fun. And you can send me anything else. That would be so great. So this is yours to hang up wherever you wish, outside. And take a look and see what birds are eating. Okay, enjoy.